Greetings, Tribe. This is Fideus from the Self-Expression Project, and you're watching Tribe Nation Kingdom 8. This video is one of those videos that if you just don't get it out, it stays in your mind, residing there forever. It's better to just get it out and let it echo into the universe. 2020, Year of the Wolf. What does that mean to me? It means that I need to continue my mission without wavering. It means creating a tribe that's dedicated to guiding the forgotten youth to their true calling, their true self-expression, to show them that they are the adventure they seek. It's that simple. So this entire year is dedicated to that. If you're interested in guiding youth that have incredible talent, yet they don't have a platform, they don't have communities, they don't have family, they don't have money, they don't have people that are actually guiding them, no mentors, definitely reach out to me and let me know what's up, because this year is that year. Peace, and as always, you are the adventure you seek.